how to use the built-in ruler tool on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display, then scroll down and tap on edge panels, then tap on panels. From here, swipe across and tap on tools. Make sure tools is selected so that it can be added to the edge panel right here. Okay, so now we swipe in to open up the edge panels. Next, swipe across until you go to the tools panel and then tap on the more button. Then we go down and tap on ruler. So once the ruler is opened, we then calibrate first. So get the actual ruler. By default, it should be already accurately calibrated. You can see right here, this is the default calibration. You don't need to calibrate it again. But if you need to calibrate the ruler, you can do so. So it is fairly accurate. If it's not, you can tap on the calibrate button right here and you can just drag it in and out like that to calibrate. Okay, once it is accurate, we can then use it. So here, if it's not accurate, we can drag it in or out so that it is accurate. Here we can see I need to drag it out a little bit more. So I keep closing in. Okay, so it's nearly accurate. Like so. And once it is accurate, you can then tap on done button, and from now on you can simply use the on screen of the built-in ruler. You can also change it to inches or centimeter. So you can change it to centimeters or inches. And that's it. My ruler doesn't have inches on here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.